We got dentist Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Are you gonna open it?
Yeah.
Here we go. What do we got here? We got the bottom of the mouth.
Whoa.
And what is that? What is that for? You think it's to make the braces?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A teeth.
And that's
a teeth.
that's to make the teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, we got the top of the mouth.
A toothbrush.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that. What is it?
A spinning
Glue?
A Play-Doh.
What's this? Hello.
A skewer.
I need some teeth.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to put him right up here. Okay? We're going to make 2 white teeth before we make some yucky teeth. Okay? That we have to fix. Okay, Nika?
Okay.
You're being crazy.
Silly.
Okay. Going to make another tooth. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nika, look at this guy. He has a whole lot of cavities. We're gonna open it up and you're gonna fix them. Uh-oh, some of his teeth fell out. Let's put those back in. Okay, now you're gonna fix him. Okay, you fixed that cavity. Good job. Here. Okay, there's some more. Oh, you fixed that cavity too. Good job. Now we gotta put a filling in that cavity. Let's put in the filling. Geno has a filling for you. So you put it where the cavity was.
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. So now you're gonna fix some more teeth?
Yeah. Oh no!
There's some more cavities.
It's off.
Good job. Okay, next one. Against the blue to make some braces. You roll it. Yep, just like that. Here, roll it harder. Yeah, roll it a little harder. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now Geno will cut it out.
Thank you.
Okay, now put it on the front of the tooth.
Yes.
Good job. Okay, we got some more.
I'm wearing scissors.
Okay, put on the braces.
I'm gonna put it
On these, right here.
This one. And this one.
Next.
And this one.
Okay. We gotta make some more. Here, use that and make some more. Okay, now Geno will cut them out. And look at the teeth. Are they doing good?
Yes.
Yes. So
Mommy,
far, so good.
I don't think you have bad teeth.
I don't have any bad teeth.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
Nika.
Oh, there's some more braces to put on. Those two. Oh. Okay. Can Nika roll that up? Roll it up so it's nice and long. Do you want Geno to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And now we're gonna put it across the braces.
I want you to do it.
No, you do it. Put it across the braces. Did you get it across the braces?
Yep.
Yeah? Nice. Okay, now we're gonna brush his teeth?
Yep.
Okay, push the Play-Doh through the toothbrush to make the toothpaste. Here you go.
Thank you.
There's toothpaste. Okay. Uh-oh. Push it again. Want me to help you?
Yeah. You take those
There you go.
birds off.
Okay. Now brush his teeth.
Open your mouth.
Aww. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh, Taty. Taty.
Yeah?
Put those. Brush your teeth.
Brush his teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Now he has nice and white teeth.
And then see your tongue.
Yeah. Silly.
Go in your mouth.
Nyam, nyam, nyam. Thank you for cleaning my teeth, dentist.
I'm gonna brush your eyes.
Ah, my eyes.
I'm gonna brush your nose.